Question 1. What wisdom does it spring from Adam, upon whom be peace, being expelled from paradise, and some of mankind, the sons of Adam, being sent to hell? What was the reason for it? Answer. The reason for it concerns the charging of duties. The duty with which Adam was charged yielded such results as the unfolding of all human spiritual progress and the revealing of all human potentialities and man's essential nature being a comprehensive mirror to all the divine names. If he had remained in paradise, his rank would have been fixed like that of the angels. Man's potentialities would not have been disclosed. In any case, the angels, with their unchanging ranks, are numerous, and there is no need for man to perform their sort of worship, since divine wisdom required a realm of accountability commensurate with the potentialities of man, who would traverse infinite degrees. He was expelled from paradise for his well-known sin, sin being the requirement of human nature and contrary to that of the angels. That is to say, just as it was pure wisdom and pure mercy that Adam should be expelled from paradise, so is it just and right that the unbelievers should be sent to hell. As is mentioned in the third indication in the 10th word, the unbeliever only committed one sin in his short life, but the sin comprised infinite wrongdoing. For unbelief is an insult to the whole universe. It negates the value of all beings. It denies the testimony to divine unity of all creatures, and is contempt towards the divine names, the manifestations of which are to be seen in the mirrors of beings. Therefore, in order to avenge the rights of beings on the unbeliever, their monarch, the all-compelling one of glory, casts the unbelievers into hell, and this is pure right and justice. For an infinite crime demands infinite punishment,